Hello, my name is Jaydev and this is my ID card. Now let's go to the application. So this is the flashcard application currently running on Replit. You can see the URL here. And the way this application works is that users begin by creating individual cards and then they add these cards to different decks. Let's go ahead and create some cards. So I'm going to click on add a card. And let's say that I want to create a card which helps people learn Spanish. So what I'm going to do is upload an image first. I have an image here for, let's say, an apple. And when I open this, I can ask the question, what is the apple in Spanish? And the text on the back of the card would be the answer, which is simply La Manzana. And when I double click this card, you see that it flips around and I get that flashcard feeling also. I can save this and add another card. Let's say that I upload another image, which is essentially a boy. So I say front text would be, what is the boy in Spanish? And the answer to that is El Niño. So I save and add another card. I can keep on adding multiple cards in this way. So what I'm going to do is add them to a deck. So I drag this card and drop it. I drag this card as well and drop it to this deck. I simply call this deck Spanish. And then I save the deck. And then the page refreshes and I see that my deck, which is simply called Spanish, has appeared. What I can then do is run an exercise with this deck. So I simply go to the deck and I see that this allows me some time before the exercise to review the cards. What is the apple in Spanish? It's La Manzana. What is the boy in Spanish? It's El Niño. So then I start the exercise. I answer the first card is the apple. I say that the apple is called La Manzana. And then I press enter. It tells me that the answer is wrong. And let's say I give an incorrect answer this time. The boy in Spanish is El Niño, but I'm going to call it El Niña, for example. It says that the answer is incorrect. It says that I scored 50% correct because I gave one answer wrong. So then I go back again to the deck page. So I'm going to log out and log in as a user who already has multiple cards. So this user already has a bunch of cards and I've already created a bunch of decks with these cards. One of them is the geography deck, which has 11 cards. I simply go to geography and it asks me based on the map what all these states and union territories are. So I can start the exercise. I can say this is Chhattisgarh. I can say that this probably is Chandigarh, and so on. I can keep on doing exercises like that. So that broadly is how the app works. You create cards, you add them to decks, and then you can run exercises with the decks. Thank you very much.